History of Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace is a famous palace in Istanbul, Turkey. It was the home of the Ottoman sultans for many years. The palace has a rich history and beautiful architecture. History of Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace was built in 1459. It was built by Sultan Mehmed II, also known as Mehmed the Conqueror. He conquered Constantinople in 1453. The palace was his main residence. It served as the center of the Ottoman Empire for almost 400 years. The palace was expanded and renovated over time. Many sultans added new rooms and buildings. Topkapi Palace became a large complex. It has many gardens, courtyards, and fountains. It is located on a hill with a beautiful view of the Bosphorus Strait. In 1924, after the fall of the Ottoman Empire, Topkapi Palace became a museum. It opened to the public. People can now visit and learn about its history. Architecture of Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace has a unique architectural style. It combines Islamic and Byzantine influences. The palace has many beautiful tiles and decorations. The rooms are large and have high ceilings. There are 4 main courtyards in the palace. The first courtyard is open to everyone. It has the entrance gate. The second courtyard is for government and administrative work. The third courtyard is more private. It has the Sultan's living quarters. The fourth courtyard is the most beautiful. It has gardens, fountains, and pavilions. The famous harem is also located here. The harem was the private area for the Sultan's family. It is a fascinating place to visit. Historical events. Topkapi Palace witnessed many important events. Many sultans ruled the empire from this palace. It was the center of political power. Important meetings and ceremonies took place here. In 1566, Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent died in Topkapi Palace. He was one of the most famous Ottoman sultans. His reign was a golden age for the empire. Many beautiful buildings were constructed during his time. Topkapi Palace also held important treasures. The imperial treasury contained gold, jewels, and valuable items. The famous Topkapi dagger and the spoonmaker's diamond are among these treasures. They are on display in the museum today. Cultural importance. Topkapi Palace is a symbol of Ottoman culture. It represents the power and glory of the empire. The palace is an important part of Turkish history. Many tourists visit to learn about the Ottomans. Today, the palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts millions of visitors each year. People come to see the stunning architecture and historical artifacts. The palace also has beautiful gardens for visitors to enjoy. The palace is not just a museum. It is a place where history comes alive. Visitors can imagine what life was like for the sultans and their families. The palace tells stories of the past. Topkapi Palace. Today, Topkapi Palace is one of the most visited places in Istanbul. Visitors can see many exhibitions. They can explore the beautiful rooms and courtyards. The museum offers guided tours to help people learn more. The palace also has a cafe where visitors can relax. They can enjoy Turkish tea and pastries while looking at the views. The gardens are a peaceful place to sit and enjoy nature. Topkapi Palace is featured in many films and books. It inspires artists and writers. The beauty of the palace captivates everyone who visits. Conclusion. In conclusion, Topkapi Palace is an important part of Turkish history. Its architecture is beautiful and unique. The palace has witnessed many significant events. It represents the power and culture of the Ottoman Empire. Visitors feel the spirit of history when they walk through its halls. Topkapi Palace is more than just a building, it is a symbol of a rich past. It will continue to inspire future generations. When you visit Istanbul, do not miss Topkapi Palace. It is a place where you can learn, explore, and enjoy the beauty of history. The palace invites everyone to discover its fascinating stories. If you like it, please subscribe. I would be happy.